I am here in the again. No clouds. Look how beautiful it is. And I am sun gazing because it is very important to me to at least sun gaze a few minutes out of the day, restore my energy. It feels amazing. It's good to sun gaze if you know it's going to be cloudy the next day or the day after. Try to sun gaze as much as you can because it restores your energy, it gives you energy. The sun does so much good for us, you have no idea. Give it a try, you'll see. I'm here with this guy. He's sun gazing as well. Hi, honey. Hi, Roscoe. You so happy in the park today? Yes? You sun gaze your mama? Yes, you do, handsome. So make sure you guys get your daily dose of nature.